Okay, today we read Isaiah 44 through 48 for day 208 of the Bible recap. We know now that there is no other like our God. Would you respond in worship with me as we sing, "There is none like you"? There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. And I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. And I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. Let's sing it one more time. There is none like you. Oh, and no one else can touch my heart like you do. Oh, I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. I could search for all eternity long and find there is none like you. We could search for eternity and find no equal. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I'm Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.